To be completely honest, I didn't think it's going to make a good coffee. I am Sandro from Switzerland, 2 times Swiss champion and vice world champion in coffee and good spirits. Actually, that's a funny story how I ended up, because I'm an industrial designer. During Corona, I had a lot of time. I combined 2 things together. It was the Ikigai, the Japanese philosophy, and a 100-day project. And we did those things together, and then I ended up doing 100 cocktail recipes in 100 days. For me, designing a product and designing a cocktail is the same thing. There is one of my favorite designers. He's Massimo Vignelli. He once said, if you can design one thing, you can design everything. And I think that's completely true. You can design a cocktail or you can design a product. That's why, for me, it was a totally different approach than everyone else. And maybe that's also why I was in the finals in the end. I don't have a moment that was like, oh, that is the moment I started loving coffee. That was that Ikigai thing. I wrote down everything that came to my mind that is important for me or that I enjoy doing. And then I had a full paper with words, and then I just crossed out the ones that were less important. And in the end it was coffee and cocktails. That's why it was that. Coffee and good spirits. When I traveled somewhere with the car, I always brought my espresso machine. But that machine is just too big, and probably people also are thinking I'm nuts. I always open the trunk, bring out my coffee machine, and now I can just bring the OutIn and it's perfect. I bring it everywhere. To be completely honest, I didn't think it's going to make a good coffee, because I tried so many gadgets for coffee. And after that, I tried to do different recipes and different cocktails with it, and it all worked pretty good. We actually used it on stage in Geneva when I was training with Gary from Hong Kong. I was like, try this and let's see if we can make the cocktail on stage. And we brewed competition coffee. I think they're both having their space. Professional machine gives you more like detailed tuning in, and the OutIn is just perfect because you can just use it everywhere, right? For me, it's also ways to share stories, to go somewhere, to brew someone a coffee. I just recently went to meet someone and I just brewed them my coffee on the spot. Competing is super nice, but only the judges are going to experience the cocktail. No one else is experiencing a competition cocktail. I really want to bring those cocktails to the people, and that is what excites me most. If you serve those cocktails to regular people and they're like blown away by it. And with the OutIn, that's perfect. I can just go anywhere and I make those cocktails wherever I want.
What are you most excited to see or share when you visit here?
Sharing a cocktail with you guys.
That's the same here.